Alright folks, today we're going to be trying our fruit punch challenge. So we've got 5 drinks here that I'm going to be trying, and so between these 5 cups I have to figure out what order these go in for the drinks in front of me. I don't know what's in front of this box. So I have the list of the drinks in front of me, but I just have to figure out which order they go in, which cup matches to which drink up here. So we're going to get started. So I've got, for all of these, I can't see up here, so we have Juicy Juice, Welch's, Body Armor, Electrolyte, and Gatorade. And they're all fruit punch colored, they're all fruit punch flavored. And they've got different texture, they've got different colors and dyes. Some look more natural, some look more artificial. So we're going to try them one by one. So this is the first cup. I think I have a good guess as to what that one is. I have 2 drinks back here that look very, very similar. Or actually, I got 2 pairs that look really similar. So I gotta pick out the obvious ones first. Which one is this? Okay. I think I know what this one is. Alright, then we'll try number 5 here. Yeah, some of these are really tough. Yeah, 1 and 5 look really similar, and 4 and 2 look really similar. Which one would Juicy Juice be? Okay, I've got 1. I think Gatorade is number 4. At least the order in front of me. So 4 for me on this side, this is Gatorade. Because these have really, really similar tastes. So what's Electrolyte again? Like, what kind of drink is it? Like, give me a description of the bottle.
Premium hydration, electrolyte beverage. I think it's similar to Gatorade. It's kind of in that kind of theme.
Oh, okay.
Athletic kind of drinks. Replenishment.
Yeah, because that one I have never had before. I mean, but then it could be this one too. We're gonna go Body Armor being this one, number 2. And then this Electrolyte drink. This Gatorade-esque drink for number 1. I'm just going to try them all again before I lock in my answers. I'm feeling good about 5. Does Gatorade have this color red though? I don't think Gatorade would have this color red in it. I'm trying to remember the bottle. So there's like a fruit punch red, and then there's like a more natural shade of red, like a reddish brown. Yeah, number 3, I'm really confident being Welch's right here. Because both of these are like the super red. And then number 1 and number 3 are like a more natural-ish, like juice red. Like, it doesn't have as much red dye in it. So that's what I'm kind of going off of. Alright, we're gonna lock in my answers. So, out of 5 drinks, out of 5 possible choices, number 1 is the Electrolyte, number 2 is Body Armor, and number 3 I'm really sure is Welch's, number 4 is Gatorade, number 5, Juicy Juice. This one I'm pretty confident with too.
Okay.
Solid.
Okay.
How do you think you got right?
I think I got like 3 right.
Alright, so 60% you think you got?
Mm-hmm.
Passing grade.
Not in my school. Alright.
70% is BC for me. That'd be
Big
passing.
reveal. Here we go.
So I think I got 3. I feel like I mixed 1 or 2 up.
You got one of
least.
them right.
Really?
You got Gatorade.
You got number 4 is Gatorade.
What?
Number 1 is Welch's.
Number 2 is Electrolyte. Number 3 is Juicy Juice. Number 4 is Gatorade. Number 5 is Body Armor.
Yeah, see, Juicy Juice. Or did I?
You were pretty confident.
Juicy Juice, I had.
A little too confident.
No. Okay.
So you're a Gatorade connoisseur, that's for sure.
Yeah, we knew Gatorade was going to be an easy one. But the rest of them, you never know. Welch's. Yeah, you thought number 3 was Welch's.
I'm trying to... Dang.
Wait, what'd you
only
say for
one?
number 2?
Body armor.
I thought this one was body armor,
Okay.
but it's this one.
What did you think body armor was? Number 5.
The 5th one? This I thought was Juicy Juice because of the color.
What if we told you we mixed all the liquids up?
Dang, really? Only one. Man. Alright, so I didn't do too good, it turns out. Turns out I don't know my drinks. We got Gatorade being number 4, but I was trying to go off of color and like whether it tasted more natural or more artificial, but yeah, some of these guesses were just not warranted at all. Yeah, this was really tricky because there's two that look almost exactly the same, and then these have like, you know, that darker like brown reddish color to it. So yeah, some of these definitely tripped me up. That's for sure. Alright. Well, this has been a fun challenge, guys. See you in the next video.